Hey guys and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you many tricks about a Google Chrome that you may not know about. I want you to watch this video till the end. First of all, open Google Chrome on your computer. From right here you can click, and down here it says customize Chrome. After that you can see the first option is background. You can change the background of Google Chrome with a picture that you have in your computer. Select a picture and then you can see that the background of Google Chrome changed. Then if you click again in this part it says shortcut, you can make a shortcut out of each website that you're using a lot. The third one is color and themes. You can change the color and theme of your computer with any color that you want from right here. Choose the one and click on done. If you press Ctrl++, you can make bigger whatever you have in your Google Chrome. If you press Ctrl+, you can make it smaller. Then if you press Ctrl+H, it'll bring all the search history of Google Chrome in your computer that you have just searched that before. You can select all of them. It shows that how many things or how many items have you searched in your Google Chrome. You can delete it from right here. And if you click on clear browsing data, and after that cancel this one, in here if you click on downloads you can see this one. It shows that if you're supposed to download something, where it is going to be saved. You can change where you save the thing that you're going to download after this time. I'm going to choose this one and again click on select folder. It changed. Everything that I download will be there. If you press Ctrl+J, it'll bring all the things that you've downloaded before in your Google Chrome. Don't forget that Google Chrome has a game that you can play with. In here type dino game, and after that click on this one. You can see that this dinosaur game is already in your computer. If you press space, it'll start doing. It'll be like this. You can play with. And there is a trick that you can hack this game, and I will show you in other video. That is link is in the description. You can hack this game and it will not over. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll put a like there. Support me. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Good luck.